Direct speech. Reporting verb quotation marks spoken words punctuation. Common examples of direct speech. I can dance, he said. I am happy, she said. I have a cat, he said. I enjoy reading, he said. He is my uncle, she said. I love to dance, he said. He will help us, she said. I love this song, he said. I want to travel, he said. He is very kind, she said. He is very tall, she said. He is my friend, she said. I am taking a nap, he said. He likes to swim, she said. I love chocolate, she said. I love this place, he said. He loves his job, she said. I like this movie, he said. I am happy to help, he said. I will try my best, he said. He enjoys fishing, she said. He has a new bike, she said. He has a cool car, she said. He is working out, she said. He is running late, she said. I want to eat pizza, he said. I am going shopping, he said. I am baking cookies, he said. I am reading a book, he said. I want to go hiking, he said. I have a great idea, he said. I love this weather, he said. I am going to school, he said. I will call you back, he said. I am learning French, he said. I will bring dessert, he said. He is taking photos, she said. I am going for a walk, he said. He is singing a song, she said. I am going to the gym, he said. I will call you later, he said. I am planning a party, he said. He is playing soccer, she said. He is my best friend, she said. He is cooking dinner, she said. They are watching TV, she said. I want to play outside, he said. They have a big house, she said. He is fixing his bike, she said. I have seen that movie, he said. They will arrive soon, she said. He is reading a novel, she said. I enjoy playing sports, he said. I will take care of it, he said. He is writing a story, she said. I want to learn guitar, he said. I love going for walks, he said. I want to go for a run, he said. I want to ride a horse, he said. I will be there at 5 p.m., he said. I will see you tomorrow, he said. They are making dinner, she said. They will be here soon, she said. They are playing games, she said. He is going to the park, she said. I will buy some flowers, he said. He loves to play chess, she said. I am excited to see you, he said. I want to join the club, he said. I want to paint my room, he said. I will help you find it, he said. He is building a model, she said. They are making a cake, she said. I am going to bed early, he said. I have a lot of friends, he said. I will finish this later, he said. I'm trying a new recipe, he said. I want to read that book, he said. I am learning new things, he said. I am going to the doctor, he said. I have a meeting at noon, he said. He is cleaning his room, she said. I want to see that movie, he said. He likes to play soccer, she said. I am visiting my friends, he said. I will send you an email, he said. He is drawing a picture, she said. He loves to read comics, she said. I will help you with that, he said. I will get some ice cream, he said. I want to buy a new phone, he said. They are having a picnic, she said. He is running a marathon, she said. I love going to the beach, he said. They are going on a trip, she said. I'm going to the library, he said. I am looking for my shoes, he said. He is playing the guitar, she said. I will finish my homework, he said. They are taking a picture, she said. He is reading a newspaper, she said. I have a lot of work to do, he said. He is fixing the computer, she said. I want to start exercising, he said. They are going to the zoo, she said. They are planting flowers, she said. I am going to watch a show, he said. He loves to ride his bike, she said. I want to visit the museum, he said. I love learning new things, he said. I want to play video games, he said. I will start studying soon, he said. I'm going to do my laundry, he said. He is going to the dentist, she said. They are having a barbecue, she said. They are going to the mall, she said. They will come to the party, he said. I want to learn how to cook, he said. I'm excited about the trip, he said. They are going for a drive, she said. I want to go to the concert, he said. I will meet you at the park, he said. They are looking for a job, she said. He is making a presentation, she said. I will visit my grandparents, he said. They are enjoying their day, she said. He is practicing his speech, she said. They are going to a concert, she said. They are playing basketball, she said. They are listening to music, she said. They are painting the fence, she said. I want to learn about history, he said. They are going to the movies, she said. They will join us for dinner, she said. He likes to play video games, she said. I want to try that restaurant, he said. He is working on his project, she said. They are planning a surprise, she said. He is studying for his exams, she said. I will see you at the meeting, he said. They are building a new house, she said. He has a great sense of humor, she said. I will be there in 10 minutes, he said. They will play soccer tomorrow, she said. They are playing in the garden, she said. I am learning to play the piano, he said. They are studying for the test, she said. I enjoy hiking in the mountains, he said. They are studying for the exam, she said. They are shopping for groceries, she said. They are preparing for the exam, she said. He is taking his dog for a walk, she said. They are celebrating a birthday, she said. They are having fun at the party, she said. They are practicing for the play, she said. They are enjoying their vacation, she said. They are learning a new language, she said. They are visiting their relatives, she said. He is working on his presentation, she said. They have finished their homework, she said. They are discussing their project, she said. I will help you with your homework, he said. They are practicing for the concert, she said.